Hello student, how are you? I wish you are all well and safe at home. Today we will solve a creative question from the chapter number 7, which is related with motivation, and we will give some technique to solve another creative questions point by point that will give you opportunity to get a 10 out of 10. So I hope you are all excited to know how you will answer the creative questions related all the question. So we will start today's the creative question setting and solution class. This is a revision class. Okay. Before going into this creative question answer, we have to read the STEAM or stimulator first. So now we read the stimulator. What is given in the board? You are looking at this. The Shathi and Shobuz are the managers of two different organizations. Sathi has beautifully arranged the environment of the organization so that employees can work with good attention. It will be she also praises for work done by the employees of the organization. As a result, the employees are very satisfied working in her organization. On the other hand, Shobuz sometimes pay a share of profit and fair salary to encourage the worker of his organization, but the worker of the organization are leaving his institution. So this is our STEAM. I hope you have got the point. Actually, what are the main basic point that can be quoted in the STEAM. So now we will give a look on the related question or associated questions. So what are them? The first one is, what is motivation? It is motivation related chapter. You will remember on the definitions of that basic point, it will come in the exam. That is, what is motivation? Okay. Now then, what are the component of Maslow's hierarchy theory or Maslow's motivation theory? What are the component? What are the element? Number C, what kind of method does Shathi use to motivate employees? What kind of method does Shathi use to motivate her employees? Number D, which method of motivation is best adopted by Shathi and Shobuz in the stimulator? Give your opinion with logic. So already we have read out the total it's a creative question. Now we are going to solve one by one. Number one is, what is motivation? You know that what is motivation. Motivation is a set of factors that causes people to behave in a certain way. Okay, motivation is some components or some factors that causes people to behave in a certain way. So this also, you can say another way things that motivation is a combination of some factors that will lead the worker or employees towards company's common goal, towards to attaining company's common goal. It also can be your answer. what is motivation. And you can also say that motivation is a process by which the management try to encourage worker or encourage employees to make attention in their work. You can say it like that. Okay, now coming to the next B. What is the question number B? B is what are the components of Maslow motivation theory? You know that Maslow motivation theory, there are 5 steps. What are they? That physiological needs, okay, then safety needs, then esteem, then self esteem, and then self-actualization, okay, and this is, and other is self establishment or self-actualization, okay. So there is 5, okay. So number 1 is the physiological needs. Number 1, 2 is safety needs, 3 is social need, 4 is esteem, 5 is self-actualization. So if you give the name of this 5 step of the Maslow's motivation theory, that will be the answer. You will get 2, okay. Now coming to C. In the C, C, what kind of method of motivation that is used by Sathi? You can see over here, Sathi arranged the environment of the organization very nicely, very beautifully, that employees who are there, they can easily work with a good attention. Just you can see it, okay. He ensured that environment. He also praise for their work, okay. He also do some good behavior with employees. That 3 point you can say: good behavior with employees, the recognition or praises for the work, and ensuring good environment. So these 3 things, what is involved in the, I think, non-financial motivation OS or non-financial motivation OS. Okay, so we can say in the first that the Sathi's adopted motivation means or motivation method is non-financial motivation method. Now we're coming to what is non-motivation method. The method of motivation which is not related directly with the money given to the worker. It is related to the mental and physical safety or awareness or physical issues that will be reserved by the management authority. So this will be the definition of non-financial ways of motivation. So now coming to the comparison compared to the definition and the esteem what is given. In the esteem, you can see it. In the esteem, you can see this: the Sathi given safety, in the good environment. Sathi did a good behavior with the employees, and Sathi also praised for good work. So these things, all these things is related with the non-financial motivation method. So at the last we can say that this all the method what is used by the Sathi is totally matched with the elements of non-financial motivation OS. So we can say that the Sathi's adopted motivation method is non-financial motivation method. Now coming to the number D. In the D, question number D, you can see it. Which one is the best, Sathi's one or Shobu's one? What now we have to see? We have to see what is the good things. But Shobu's institutions employees are leaving now, so that is why you have to think that they are not satisfied with the work. So we can say that Sathi's one is best. And now you have to give Sathi's motivation process what and Shobu's motivation process chart. You have to give the definition. But in the previous questions we have already Sathi's motivation and the Sathi's motivation methods definition. But now here we will not repeat. We will, if there was not, then I will repeat. Then I will put here. But here is already given. That is why I will here just Shobu's motivation method. What is Shobu's motivation method? Is financial motivation method. He used the financial method. Here is the financial method definition. The motivation method which is related with directly financial facilities given to the worker or employees to motivate them to the work is called the financial motivation factors. So now we will compare with the two. So when we will compare, that times we will give some positive point about the financial non-financial method, because I support already non-financial method is the best. That is why I have to give some positive points about the non-financial method. Non-financial methods, if I support it, then I have to give here the non-financial method. It will be connected with the employees very closely with the management, because they get mental support, they are very satisfied with the organization behavior, so they will work as the member of the family. So that will be very positive for the organization to achieve their goal. So that will be very big. But in the Shobu's case, if I discuss about and the Shobu's adapted financial method, that the profit, always profit will be ensured in the organization, that it is not sure. So that is why if you give 1 year share of the profit, but the next year they will get, there was no surety. So that is why it will not the good motivation financial process, and it is a good motivation for the worker, I think. And the next one is the fair salary. Salary is a factor. I cannot disagree with your point, but salary is not give higher importance than the for mental and physical safety. Okay, so that is why everybody will get a salary. If someone get a low salary but higher benefit of non-financial benefit, like environment is good, and there's say life security is very strong, so then the people or the employee will be more motivated for that. Okay, so according to that, we will support the non-financial motivation factors and non-financial motivation method that is arranged by the Sathi in his organization, in her organization. So I hope you all have understand what is the actually these creative questions main aim to set up by the drafter of the question. So you have to understand that actually what is the motive of the stimulator, and if you understand the stimulator motive, then you will answer all the questions related with the stimulator. So I hope you have understand, or after all, if you have been asking about today's class or today's creative question solution, you can ask frankly during the class time. There no hesitation, just ask me. I will make it very easy, and then you will perform good. I hope that you will do good. If my help is active or my help is effective to you, then I will be grateful. Thank you very much.